Hey guys, I'm showing you this 3-tier rolling utility cart. It's a heavy duty metal rolling carts with wheels and a vintage floral mesh baskets. So let us figure it out. This is the unboxing. These are the whole package, instruction to install it, and then how to put it. So everything is explained. So you can see this is all metal frame and this is a carbon steel with a strong load, and it have the wheels. So these wheels are 360-degree rotation. So we will just do and install it one by one. So as you can see, all this metal are coated, so it's not easy to get rusted. And then this pretty straightforward assembly. So all this is pretty like I'm putting in a fast pace. So you can have these screws and add it in here with the Allen key that comes with it. And then once to install everything, the basket is the mesh shaped, and yeah, known as a nice design. So let's do it first. And these wheels are also have the locking function, so it's good that you can lock it. And these are the mesh baskets. You can see the metal, heavy metal. So with a good load capacity, you can put in your drinks or you can put any other thing. So these are the screws that goes in the frame. So one by one I will adjust everything, and then this will be total 3. So this is the hole. You can put your drinks, your stuff, even you can put the dumbbells or the utility, anything you want. And the design looks pretty cool and nice. So it's a heavy duty cart.